All right, traders, welcome back. We're finally seeing the weekly candlestick on Bitcoin closing below the $109,000 key price level, and this is happening for the first time in several weeks. Over on Ethereum, we're also seeing a similar reaction. The weekly candlestick has closed strongly below the $3,973 key level, also for the first time in several weeks. In this video, we're going to break down what these weekly closes mean and how they could shape price direction in the coming days. Before we dive into the analysis, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily Bitcoin and crypto updates. Also, keep in mind, our Signals group is available only for our premium members. To access our premium Signal group, simply purchase the AQ Pro indicator for only $1. It includes 3 days of risk-free access, where we share all live setups and market updates. Most of my live trades are executed on Blowfin Exchange, a trusted global crypto exchange offering over 600 perpetual pairs, and even a $3,000 funded balance for live trading. New users can also get up to $5,000 as a first deposit bonus. Plus, join the Futures Bonus program to trade with bonus funds safely. Now, let's get back to Bitcoin. Just like we discussed in the last video, ever since Bitcoin formed this double top pattern, we've been watching this neckline area around the $109,000 key price level very closely. This week, for the first time in several weeks, Bitcoin has successfully closed a weekly candlestick below that level, a major technical development that signals short-term weakness. When this double top formation was developing, the classic line crossed below the signal line on the AQ Pro MACD indicator, which hinted early that a short-term bearish correction was likely coming. Now, that signal has played out clearly on the charts. Still, it's important to understand that the overall long-term trend for Bitcoin remains bullish. We made an all-time high around $73,000, corrected briefly, then surged again to set a new all-time high around $109,000, corrected briefly, then surged again to set a new all-time high around $126,400. The current correction looks similar. As long as Bitcoin maintains its higher timeframe structure, it remains technically bullish. Dropping down to the daily chart, here's what we need to pay close attention to as we move into the new week. Bitcoin currently has a bullish order block sitting around the $100,000 price area, and price is now moving into that zone. If this bullish order block continues to hold, we could see a significant bounce from here, possibly triggering another leg to the upside. However, if price fails to hold and the weekly candlestick closes below this bullish order block, we could see a deeper decline toward the next major support area around $74,000. So, the key zone to watch this week is the $100,000 order block area. A strong defense here could mark the start of a new bullish phase, but a confirmed close below would signal a short-term bearish continuation toward lower levels. Now, shifting over to Ethereum, this chart looks quite similar to Bitcoin's. On the weekly timeframe, Ethereum recently created an all-time high around $4,955. But since then, we've seen a steady bearish pullback. The latest weekly candlestick has now closed below a key level at $3,973, which is the first major close below this zone in several weeks. On the AQ Pro MACD indicator, we also have the classic line crossing below the signal line, confirming a potential bearish reversal on the higher timeframe. Moving down to the daily chart, Ethereum is currently testing a bullish order block at $3,050 price area. If price remains above this block and holds support around the $3,050 region, we might see a short-term bullish rally from here. But if the daily or weekly candlestick closes below this order block, Ethereum could continue falling toward the next key support around $2,384. Overall, for the bullish structure on Ethereum to remain intact, we need to see this bullish order block hold to maintain bullish momentum. If it breaks, we'll likely see a deeper correction before any recovery. So for both Bitcoin and Ethereum, the setup is clear. The trend remains bullish in the big picture, but near-term direction depends on whether these critical order blocks hold or break in the coming week. Before we end this video, just a quick reminder, our Signals group is available only for our premium members. To access our premium Signal group, simply purchase the AQ Pro indicator for only $1. It includes 3 days of risk-free access, where we share all live setups and market updates. Most of my live trades are executed on Blofin Exchange, a trusted global crypto exchange offering over 600 perpetual pairs, and even a $3,000 funded balance for live trading. New users can also get up to $5,000 as a first deposit bonus. Plus, join the Futures Bonus program to trade with bonus funds safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.